Hi everyone, today let's try to solve another problem on projections of planes. It's the third problem. We have the question like this. A triangular lamina of 25 mm sides rests on one of its corners on VP such that the median passing through the corner on which it rests is inclined at 30° to HP and 45° to VP. Draw its projections. So now let's try to solve this. But this particular triangle is resting on one of its corners on VP. So now let's try to solve it. We'll take the line, a normal line at the first. We'll draw the XY line. We'll name it out here. X is out here. This should be in caps letter. X, Y out here, VP and HP. It's not, it's okay if you name it anyways and then place it. Otherwise you can name it at the right position itself and then start. Now this particular triangle is resting on VP on one of its corners. So I'll start from here. I'll specify the length as 25 mm and I'll give the length downwards. Then with the alignment indicator on, I'll find the center of this line and triangle and I'll place it here. Now here the length of the line is 25. That is the triangle side is 25. Enter and then connect it out here. So now we have the triangle of sides 25 mm. We'll put the dimension. You can see it as 25. We'll give the namings. Here it is A dash. This one I will give it as here, I will give it as B dash, and this one as C dash. I will take the projections downwards with the normal line from the tip of A till here and from the tip till here. Now again I will change the line to visible and I will connect the line out till here. Now I will name it here. This particular point is A and this one is B bracket C bracket close. So I have these two namings. Now we'll find the measurement of this line also. For drawing the locus, we need it. Place it here. Now the next thing is that this particular triangle is tilted at an angle of 45° with respect to VP and 30° to HP. Now I'll take the line as visible. This particular length of the line is 21.65. Enter and I'll specify the angle as minus 45 so that it comes downwards. Now again I'll change the line to normal. I'll project the line straight upwards and from here till here, from A to A and from B to B point out here. So sometimes you will encounter this, so draw an excess line further so that you can eliminate that particular thing. I'll name it here. This is A, B and C. Now again from the point C till here. Sometimes you will get it straight. If you don't get it, extend it and trim it out later. We'll trim it here. We'll trim this. Sorry, I had not to trim it. I had to trim it till here. Now we'll take the line. We'll take it as visible from the tip to this particular tip and then till here. If you are finding difficult in drawing this line, you can trim this line and then draw it from this particular tip to the end of this line and connect it here. Now we'll name it. This is A dash. This particular point is B dash. This particular point is C dash. So now we have to have the median. So for that I will use the extend to next command so that I will have it till here. So the median is here. I'll name it as D1 dash and D dash here. D1 dash and D dash. Now to draw the locus, before that we'll measure the angle of this 45 degree. Now to draw the locus we need these two measurements to draw the locus. Now I will take the normal line. I'll go with the shorter method that I have told you before. Now to draw this particular locus, I'll take the line here to specify the length as 21.65. Enter and I'll give the angle as 30 degree. In the question you can see The triangle is tilted at 45 degree to VP and 30 degree to HP. So for that, I'll give the angle as 30 degree, enter. Once I have this, I'll draw the locus line onto this side. Then once again, I'll take the normal line. If you want, you can zoom this area and then do. I'll place it over here. Now we can see the length of the other second position is 15.31. I'll just enter the length. It will take the angle automatically and press enter. So now we have this particular thing ready. Now copy the triangle out here from this particular position by clicking the control key and then drag the triangle out here. Now we'll trim the extra lines that are not necessary, that is this particular line. Again, we'll select it back, come to move, click at the tip of the line and place it at the tip of this particular line. See here. You can find out how the tip matches. Zoom it, see here, place it and drag it, come here. See here, you can see that change in the symbol. Now again, rotate it with the tip of the line to the axis and place it on the line. And we can see the particular triangle is been tilted and placed. Now we'll name it C dash out here, B dash out here, and A dash out here. You have the naming of D1 dash onto the other side and D dash onto this side. Now we'll project the line downwards to the projection of the top view onto this side. From here, point A to point A. This is point A. From point B to point B, directed at the bottom. C to C here. See here. It is not making straight, so draw a bigger line and then trim the lines. Now, to draw this, I will zoom this particular area and I will connect the lines with the visible line. That is, this was our point A and this is point C, sorry, point B, and this is point C and back to point A. Fit it, place the namings. A, we have it here. I will type this particular point B and this one as C. So we forgot to give the angles out here. If we zoom it, we can give it. That is, at the first, we had this particular line angle as 30 degree, and the second angle, this particular angle, as 45 degree. That is the locus angle that we have found. That is the beta angle is 45 degree. And this actually completes our problem.